Hello friends, you are welcome in Minded channel where you can online learn graphics, animation, editing and various art and craft activities. Friends, I am Pradeep Kumar Gupta from the Department of Animation, College of Computing Sciences and Information Technology, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. Friends, we are doing the tutorials on the Maya fur system. In the previous tutorials, we have discussed about the basic attributes of the fur, how to apply fur on a body surface, and advanced control of the fur attributes. Today we are going to apply fur on an animal with the help of the body listener. In this tutorial, I will tell you how can you apply fur on an animal and how to change its attribute according to the nature of the animal. So let's start with the Maya. I have already created a scene. I model a sheep. Let's open. Start. You will find a fully rigged sheep here. The sheep has a texture, pink color texture and orange color of the skin. We want to apply the fur on the pink part of the body. I am choosing a preset and I have chosen a polar bear preset and apply it on the mesh. You can see the fur is applied on whole of the body. It is also applied on the part where the fur is not required. But the fur is very loose. First of all, I will change the map size to the 1024 from 250/64. It will make a bigger map and detail will be more clear. Now I will change the color. Since sheep are the white, so I am choosing the white base and slightly grey tips. The specular color is also grey. Now there are so many properties we need to research here to make this polar bear curve fur to the sheep. I am increasing the overall size to convert it to the 3, and you will see that the fur is become too much heavy and large in size. But the fur seems to be a little bit loose, so we are going to change the UV size, making the sheep fur more dense. By adjusting the different attributes, we will modify this fur into the fur of the sheep. We will change the curves, we will change the scale, sediment, inclination, polarity, etc. of the fur to make it suitable for the sheep. Although a preset with the name sheep is also given here, but I prefer to do, and I want to show you how you can modify a fur. So I have chosen the polar bear fur and modifying it to the sheep fur. Now it seems to be pretty good, but you can see there is a lot of the hair on the face which don't need to have any face. Now it seems to be too good. You have to check the render after every scene is complete. Increase the number of the sediment to make the curves more smooth. Now go to the Wildness attribute and right click and apply a new texture over here. Okay. Apply a file. I have already created a text wildness map or fur map for the sheep on my desktop, and I am applying this to the fur. Wildness attribute of the fur. Now I need to make this attribute. Go back. Go up to stop on the wave, select here the wildness and wave. Now you can see the fur has been removed from the face, lower foot and here. Check in the mental way or to take some more time to render. Fine. A white fur is ready for the sheep now. You can make some other changes also. I am increasing the overall size here. Fur density. It is taking too much time to render. Okay. It is looking pretty good now. Check the fur from the all angles. In case you find any discrepancy, correct it. It appears to be very good now. I have increased the overall size of the fur, although it is taking more time to render, but it will look neat. Due to the rendering time in normal animations, we don't use fur as a for the skin of the animals. We use texture, rather we use texture which are easy to learn for the rendering. But in the full-fledged movies, this practice is used and they apply normal fur on this. So friends, this is all over for today. I hope you have modeled an animal last year. Apply fur on it. It may be dog, it may be horse or any other animal which you have modeled. Apply fur on it, set the attributes, take a snapshot and send me as an assignment. Actually, applying fur on the animal is also a part of your assignment in this lab. I am waiting for your assignments. For any query, feel free to call me. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications for all my videos which I upload regularly on this channel. Thanks again from the Minded channel. I hope you are enjoying it. Thank you. Thanks again.